What's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video here on the channel. Today we're tying something small and buggy, but before we start, if you're new here, welcome. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel if you like the content. It really helps a lot. This fly is supposed to mimic a small scud or a gammarus of some sort, but if you change out some colors or tweak it a little bit, I'm pretty sure you could use this for just about anything, even in lakes or streams. So let's jump down to the vise here and tie out this scud. So the hook in my vise here is from Eric's Hooks, the NS156, which is a favorite at the moment. Really great hook. First off, we'll be needing a grizzly feather. What you want with these feathers, you kind of want to find one that has a nice taper to it. So when you tie it in at the tip, it'll go from short to longer fibers. Just helps a lot on the proportions of the fly. It's not a huge deal, but some of you guys are a little bit like me. You also like your flies to look good, and that's my tip for you. Then tie in a rib. This is a really simple fly. I mean, this is not going to take that long. I'm actually slowing down just a little bit to have a little bit of length on the video here. So tying a rib on the side here. Right around, to get the thread up to right around this point here, a few millimeters from the eye. Get some dubbing. In this case I'll be using olive. And this is the SLF Skrill dub. I think originally this pattern had marabou as an underbody, but I've kind of covered my entire office in marabou the past few days, so I wanted to do something else. So starting from the hook eye, work your way back, and then on the way back to the hook eye, start to build up that taper. I haven't tied something in olive in a long time actually. Kind of forgotten about that a little bit. Here we go. Then for the front here, whoop, there's just flies and marabou everywhere in this office. But for the front here, I want a little bit of orange dubbing. Again, you can of course switch this out with yellow or whatever. But this orange really looks good too, next to that olive here. Grab your hackle. Remember to pull the fibers backwards like this, and be careful. This happened last week as well. Or was it the other day? Can't remember. But it's no biggie. Let's just tie this in the other way around. So Tie it in at the front here. Snip that off. I was just about to say, be careful not to pull this too hard because the tip will break, and then of course it breaks. So now we'll be doing it backwards. Make sure you get one full turn in front here, and then just open up these turns so go backwards, which would have been forwards. But now it's this way around. And you're back here, just like that. See if I can get another turn in here. So now what you want to do, grab that rib, catch the feather in the back there. You have it here. Transfer that. Whoa. That's not working for me today. So bear with me. There we go. What is that stupid rib? Once again, let me just try to keep calm here. But I mean, this is what happens when you tie flies. I make mistakes all the time. I'm just going to keep this in so you can see that it's just perfectly normal. It happens to me all the time. So up in front here, give it a few extra turns with that rib to give it a little bit of a flashy head. Catch that with your tying thread. Trim that off. The tail here. Don't cut into the fly like this. Find the stem and then just push your scissors into it. And that way you don't accidentally cut off any fibers of the fly there. Get a good finish. Back a little bit. Tying thread, get some varnish. Where is it? There it is. I'm trying to make 30 new videos for the next 30 days. So everything is just laid out here. It's even more a mess, but I kind of want to try and push out a lot of content just to see if it makes a difference. I'm trying to grow this channel now for many years, and it is growing and I'm super happy. But then I see new accounts pop up, and it looks like the algorithm is kind of preferring new accounts because they're like exploding. Within 35 posts they have like 200,000 followers, and they're doing the exact same thing as me. I'm not hating, it's very, very good content. Just makes me wonder a little bit if I'm doing anything wrong or what the actual F is going on. So here's the finished fly, very buggy looking, super fishy. Try it out and maybe switch out some colors. Let me know down below if there's any flies you'd like to see me tie. Check out some of the links up here or down in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.